If you want to weave a bear with a bit more pattern and you want to play around with some tapestry sampling techniques, then here's a couple of notes for you about playing with tapestry sampling techniques. When you're doing, if you want to weave the bear as with a very highly patterned onesie, then I just posted a picture here previously of what it looked like when I had just finished weaving the bear body. And what I did, of course, is I started at the shoulders and then I wove pick and pick for about an inch. Yeah. And so pick and pick is one row of black, one row of white, and that gives me the vertical lines of color. This and this section are both pick and pick as well, but I wove to switch my colorway from here over to here. You simply weave 2 rows in the same color and then continue with the process of weaving 1 row of orange, 1 row of blue, or 1 row of orange, 1 row of purple. The little squares are woven 1 square of yellow, 1 square of green over 2 warp strands, and then shifting so that you get that checkerboard pattern. The triangles are woven with using again 2 colors, and you weave 1, 2, 3, 4 strands across, and then for about 3 rows, and back and forth, and you weave all your green triangles across your entire warp span, and then you come back and you fill in the gaps with the pink and filling in. And then I did a row of sumac for the hip line. The legs, the tootsie toes, the feet, are woven with 2 working sort of on diagonals, and working over. You start with weaving 1 triangle at the one edge, and you weave a triangle, and then you weave over 2 sets of warp strands up to the edge, and then your next color over 2 warp strands, but you're moving over up to the edge as far as you want to go. And so you'll get a traveling sort of set of spiral lines that move around the feet. And if you look at the photograph, you can see how they work. And then the legs are stuffed. You don't stuff right to the top of the legs because you want the bear to be able to sit. Oops, I guess I stuffed too firmly there. I can push the stuffing down a bit, but the feet are in the how to put the body together. I do explain how the feet are made, and so that's being playful with color and using tapestry techniques to make the bear. And the arms are just all done in pick and pick. And oops. Wrong arm. Okay, so somewhere in here I have another arm. Okay, yeah, and the arms are just done in pick and pick, and the head is done just with plain weaving. So that's how you make the colorful onesie bear if you'd like to play with tapestry techniques.